In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and customize a Gantt chart using Canva. First, select the Templates option from the main menu to begin browsing design options for your project. Next, type your keyword into the search bar to quickly find templates. As you enter Gantt chart and select it from the results, Canva will take you directly to the available Gantt chart templates. Now, pick the relevant month or section on the chart, then click. Customize this template to start editing your Gantt chart. From here, open the task list, select a task to focus on it, and click New to add a new item to your project timeline. Select the task you want to edit. Here, Research, so you can update its status or details. Now, edit the task name directly in the input field, or select the Ask Canva option if you want smart suggestions for your tasks. Then click the Background Color option. Then choose the color you want for your chart. You can also use the color palette to customize your task colors, or adjust the timeline for different weeks to stay organized. And finally, our Gantt chart is complete. That's how you build and personalize your Gantt chart in Canva.